Oh, it's so scary! Hey, what's up, guys? This is me and JoJo, and we're taking a dryer apart. Let's see how that works. See what we can find. We done took the top cover off. It was just 2 bolts. Took the wires out. We can't plug it back up right now. I'm gonna take it apart and look at the insides.
Yeah.
All right, can you take these off for me, baby?
Yeah. We took off.
Oh.
How are we gonna put it back together?
You gotta find it. Here it is. Oh. No, we took the roof off. Oh, we gotta find it.
Oops.
Let's take this off. Maybe it fell down.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah,
Sometimes when we put stuff back together, you don't need all the parts.
Have less parts. Right?
Yeah, I know.
No, you need all the fasteners. You need all the fasteners.
What do you think, JoJo? What's it look like?
Let's put the camera down there.
Can we salvage it?
Maybe.
So,
Bart's team never gives up.
no, let me do it. Wait, huh? If you're watching me, you should sponsor me. Let's send me some screwdrivers.
Daddy, don't get hurt with your eye again. I don't want to be crying in here.
We should get some safety McGlurses, huh?
He burned his face one time. That's an insider.
Tell people.
What are you gonna do when you grow up? You're gonna fix stuff like your daddy?
Probably.
Oh, wow.
Wait, Daddy, you fix?
Yeah, what do you
Then how do you know how to do this?
think? Guess I take things apart.
Well, you are a good man.
Yeah. You're so sweaty, baby. Oh my goodness. How long have we been here? We were playing football a second ago.
Yep.
We were running.
Yep, we were playing with the
They ran from like here to here, guys.
No, we did. We were running around that tree like 10 times, right, Jojo?
Yeah.
Wow.
They brought the stuff
I'm gonna toss words at you, which are mostly probably fake because electricians and
I'm
stuff.
getting that.
So we got some hippity hoppities over here with some MOSFETs and
What do you think about the hippity hoppity, JoJo?
Hippity hoppity.
yeah, just the knob, the hippity hoppities, right?
Yeah.
All right, one of these switches wasn't working. I don't know which one it was. So they're actuating. So maybe after we get done taking this apart, we might open this back up all the way and see if maybe something's corroded or busted. Alright, so we're missing one fastener. We still have to find. We don't want to turn the machine back on with the fastener missing. Right, McKin?
Yeah, or it'll explode.
I'll turn it on.
It might explode.
I know it's
It
gonna
just means
explode.
it
I
can
know.
shake faster to dry quicker.
It's gonna explode.
'Cause that's how it works.
That's how it works, dude. Pokemon Master, McKin!
What's wrong with this dryer, JoJo? Give us the rundown for it.
I think it might be about this.
Oh, okay, I see. Come here, Jojo.
Oh, what?
I need your assistance.
Yeah?
I think it's these two right here holding.
Oh, okay. I'll squeeze in there.
No squeeze in there. Alright, give me just a minute. Alright, get in the dryer, see if it's working properly.
Okay.
Alright, get up in there. Get in the dryer.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. Get in the dryer. Take those two off.
Okay.
And let's organize it for Daddy where he can't find them. Don't worry, Daddy. We're organizing for you.
Thank you. Put on some safety, McGlarsis. Camera guy, use your safety, McGlarsis.
Thank you. Safety first, guys.
Safety first, guys. All right, watch your face, baby.
Ooh. Wow.
Come here. Where's the gun?
Oh, me?
Yeah, press it.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Where do you press it?
Like a gun. Now watch your little face.
Will Bart ever get this off? Find out next time on the next episode of Bart's Life and Stuff. Alright, so we got the door off.
Take this little switch off.
Yeah, let me see that one.
Hey, JoJo.
Yeah.
Jump
Go
through.
into another dimension. The Twilight Zone.
Where did she go? Where's JoJo? JoJo, she's invisible, guys.
Where'd she go? Do you
Jojo.
guys see her?
JoJo, come back, Jocelyn. 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 Jocelyn, come back.
I'm right here, Dad.
All right, she's gone, guys.
Look.
I think she's coming back, guys. I think she's coming back. She's coming back. She's coming back. She's coming back. Oh, we see her. She's back, everybody.
Where'd you go, Jojo?
What did you find on the other side?
I found
Cause she's got friends on the other side.
rocks.
Sound about right.
Listen to this actuate, guys. This is satisfying.
Huh?
Yeah, listen to it. That's a good hefty switch right there. Listen.
Oh, can I try? This is the best day ever. Ooh, treasure.
You know, this is.
Come on, pennies.
I know we don't open dryers much, but
Come on,
you guys know
dollars.
the build is building up. At some point, this might catch on fire.
Come on, $1 million.
Oh, we're almost done.
Almost done.
Yeah.
You guys, look at that.
You.
Look at that fire starter right there, man.
Hey, hey.
The lid, not the hair.
I don't know
Hair
if my
stinks.
ass hurts.
Hair's flammable too, bro.
Doesn't it stink?
Jojo, I think I heard a penny.
Jojo, that's all money.
It's a penny. Pump, pump, pump.
Money.
And 11 cents. This was worth everything, man. We just made a profit.
You
Yeah,
got a tip.
thank you.
We just made a profit. Boom, boom.
Yeah, this is all mine.
All right, let's see if we got anything else. Get sucked
But
in.
that's
So
my glasses.
can come down this way, back there. So we could have something in this pipes. Let's see if there's anything. Guys, come check this out right here. Now I know most people don't service their washing machines.
Daddy, I just found a surprise.
Touch that. Look at all this dust. Look at all this.
I see in here is dust.
Look at all this lint getting close to all these wires. At some point, that might be some kind of safety hazard. See that down there? The heating elements?
Let me
Open.
see.
So,
Yes! We found something! We found
More pennies. Oh, a hair clip. Woo.
look at all this. Look at all this, guys. Potential. Another penny! See it right there?
We're up to 13 cents.
No, 12, dude.
12 cents.
Let me see.
I have to crack that open.
Let me see.
I have to go get my socket set. There's nothing right here so far. There's gonna be something else on there. And it's out the blower, so if anything else got sucked in, it might be stuck in between the roller right here. This little frame.
Let me try.
I was told that this washer was still enclosed, so
Guys!
let's try it.
Guys,
So
look
there might
at
be
me.
something down here.
Joaquin, put the camera on. I am about to go into the washing machine.
Why?
And away we go.
No, don't get it, baby.
Wendy's, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. But your ice cream is best.
What would the safety guy say, man?
Come on, Penny.
Yeah.
Come on.
Penny, my safety belt. It's not a penny.
It's a quarter.
No, it's not a quarter.
A nickel.
It might be a penny. It's a penny. 12 cents, guys.
12 cents. We're on 12 cents.
12 cents.
I'm keeping this for my Rome school.
School. So we got these up here, holding it right here. Let's see what we got.
We're gonna sing a song for now. Rome school bobcats. Learn lots of things and having fun. Rome school bobcats.
My buddies and me. Yeah.
That singing stuff is over.
Here's your safety.
Hey, we got 2 blue ones. Thank you for my safety, my guy.
Safety McGlurses.
You think they're flavored pennies if they're blue? Should we taste them?
Taste like pennies. Don't eat pennies. Don't listen to McKin.
What?
Yeah, let's put that down while. Alright, we're back. Take the wires out.
If you see right there, we got a belt we gotta take off. Got a little tensioner pulley right here. Push it forward. Belt comes loose. Gotta take that belt off, okay? Try to do it one-handed. There we go.
You gotta rip it out.
No, it's just a tensioner. You gotta cut it and replace. And that's a really thin belt. Look at that. That little belt right there is turning your washing machine, your dryer. Look at that, dude.
Let me see.
Serviceable. This whole thing's serviceable. Look at that little motor. That little motor right there.
My 10 shirts was gonna be moved by a bigger belt.
Right? Isn't that crazy? That's all. That's turning this whole thing. Is that right there? All right, we'll be right back, guys.
Look, do you see that?
Do you guys know what that's called? Leave it in the comments down below if you know.
And I bet, you know all of those bees that you have?
Yeah.
It might be from those.
Yeah, might be his friend, huh?
No, maybe they grew inside of that.
Alright, let's go help Daddy. We got distracted.
Oh, and guys, tell us in the comments. What do you think
Gotta take
to
these
blow
bolts off.
up this baby?
Alright, I gotta take these bolts off. And me and Joaquin will be right back because I gotta take this whole frame out and it's heavy, so I'm gonna need Joaquin. We'll be back. That's what we're doing. Take these bolts off. Help me out, JoJo.
Here you go.
Thank you.
See you guys in a minute.
Yeah, see you guys in a minute. Bye, and comment. Guess
Safety
what
glasses.
that one was. And safety my glasses.
Can you help me, JoJo?
And the right. And make sure what's over there.
Oh, put it on the other thing. Again, this is all a washing machine is. Look, you got your drum, a belt, some pulleys for it to turn on.
Sometimes basketballs get stuck in there.
Sometimes basketballs get stuck inside them. We're gonna clean this all out. Everything was working properly. Nothing looks like it needs to be replaced. Some of the buttons weren't working, so we'll look at the confuser and this little dash right here and see if maybe something's corroded. We'll open it up that later. I don't think I'm gonna show you guys that. We'll make sure everything this right here is working. We'll go from there. We're gonna clean it up. Hold up, wait for me, baby. Stay here just a second. No, wait. We're just gonna clean this up a bit and go from there. And again, we might clean it or we just might have fun with this. Wanna roll me, JoJo?
Okay, Daddy's gonna release the fire.
We gotta make sure it works.
Push, push.
Oh!
Go the other way, go the other way, go the other way, going uphill, go downhill. Yeah! Woo! Push, 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 push. That way, go that way, other way. Push it that way. Push, 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 push.
And away we go!
Ow, this really hurts because it's got pointy things.
Your Uncle McKee can help.
Mom
momentum.
Where's your safety?
Safety first. We're gonna let him. Hey, watch out. Look, watch out. Watch out. Hey, I'll push him, Jojo. Watch out. Here we go. Why are you scared?
You want to try, Jojo?
Yeah, sure.
Is this challenge dangerous?
Oh,
Should we put Jojo on that?
but Daddy,
I think so.
I'm scared that I'm gonna go.
Oh, look, we took the pointy things out. Hold up. We can make this a little funner. That hurt a lot. Yeah, that really hurt. See? I didn't take the fence off.
If we roll Jojo on the grass, is that safe?
I don't know.
Alright, get safety glasses, Jojo.
Safety glasses. Hey, pro tip so you don't strip anything? Check this out. Instead of going one at a time, break them all first. Break it.
Break it.
Break it.
Can I turn?
Just a second. Where's your glasses?
Oh, I don't.
Go find them. There. That way, all the tension's off all of them, and then it won't matter. Shoot and strip them. If you do one at a time, one might end up with more tension than the rest. And that's how you strip them. Jojo, look, I got a bazooka. Look again, I got a bazooka. Look. Ready?
Yeah.
Lay down on it. Push. Push with your hands. Push with your feet. Hold up to right here. Hold this. Ready? Here we go. Oh, no. All right, let's go the other way. Push really hard. Push with your feet right here. Hold with your hands right here. Push with your hands. Ready? Here we go. It's like doing a somersault.
You want me to show
a little faster.
you want me to show you how to hold on?
Yeah, show us, McKean. Will you beat the tape, Jojo?
Alright, be our camera girl.
Be the camera girl. Guys, this is gonna get real. Let's start at the top of the hill. Come on.
Alright, don't drop it.
Can you see?
Yep.
Alright, here he goes. And what if we gotta go get the saw and cut you out of here? Come here, Jojo. Come here. See what can. Ready? Set. Go! Come on, Jojo. Come here. My turn. My turn. Hey,
It gets a little bit scary,
hold up. What's the thing about we do not condone something? Don't be doing this. What's the speech?
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home.
We're
We're
professionals.
or under the supervision of professionals. It's okay. It's a dryer. You get stuff in there all the time. My turn. My turn. All right, hold on tight. Ready?
Oh.
She flipped. She flipped. JoJo's little. She's running like. My turn. Maybe we should have got a helmet. Under the supervision of professionals.
You have fun, Jojo? You get on in there.
Let me take all my breakables off here.
Safety.
We give me my safety waters. Safety, poke me in the eye first.
Safety first, kid.
Oh man, I'm not gonna fit. Hold on, wait.
Good thing he fits in here, guys. Hold on. And go! Push, 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 push!
Yeah!
Dig into it, dig!
Hey, we could probably.
Wait till you get momentum, it's fun.
Oh, we need to figure it out there.
We can push you. Oh no, the bug!
Don't
Don't worry, it was just the outer shell.
Oh man. Where'd it go, Joaquin?
Hey, we can push you into this, into the road.
yeah,
No,
good
let's
point.
not push me into the road.
Hey, gimme.
Let's push me down this hill, though.
Yeah, let me turn.
No, let me, my turn.
Here, one.
What's it like to be young? Ready? Let's go. It's like doing a somersault, though.
Help me.
Let's
Help me.
You want to try?
Help me. Go back up the hill.
I'll go last. Oh.
I'm the best father. I'm the best father. Having fun with the dryer. Having fun with the dryer. Here, Joaquin, JoJo. Here, pose for the intro. For the what's it called? The little-
Yeah, I'm gonna pause it so I can get a picture, guys. We'll be back.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna go down that hill. It's gonna be super fun. Hey, give me 10,000 likes. Share this video, and we'll take this to Coolidge Park and go down the big hill, man. It's gonna be fun. We'll take this drum right here. Watch out, baby. Watch out. Watch out. Let me keep pushing.
And you ready?
Ready? Go! It's so scary. Oh, no. Oh, that was great. Hey, Joaquin, I think it's becoming an oval.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to put it back together.
So the plan was to fix it, but
It's totally an
you can tell it's an oval now.
oval. Hold up. Fix! There we go. Let's build it back.
All right, stay tuned.
We're gonna put it back together. We're gonna put it back together. We'll tell you if it works. Well, guys, it's getting late on us. The sun's going down, so I'm just gonna put it all back together. We'll plug it up tomorrow. See how it runs.
Hey guys, make sure you comment which thing I should do or not. I'll sell it. If you guys don't want me to have it in the comments. Bye.
The people that gave me this dryer, they said it was having a knocking sound, and took it apart. Everything looks good. Wires are good. Drum, it's gonna be good, even though we play with it. I think the knocking was just those panties that were in the fan right here. But again, it's getting dark on us. I'm gonna put it back together. We'll test it out tomorrow and see what it does. If it's still making a sound, we'll take it apart. It's got that little motor back there. I checked it. Everything looks good. I think we got a good dryer for anybody that wants to buy one. Put it down in the comment section down below. Again, 10 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers. And we'll take this thing apart if we don't sell it soon. And we'll take it to Coolidge Park. Bye, everybody.